You know what? Cause you said you give me that. Hold on. And one part I loved about that shit though, Big D.
I gave you
Big D, because you was woman enough to go on your shit and say, no boy, I'm sorry. In here. And you poured out $2 more and it's changed, baby. No, I'm just saying.
Yo, there we go, yo, I can't look past the dick right and y'all niggas doing it. I'm just coolin' 6 figures long as them joints is moving. Come join my movement, niggas slept, they was stupid. Quiet as kept, I'm the best to ever do it, I fell back from this rapping shit, but I never lose it. Man, this shit like tying my shoe, or better yet, like buying a coupe. Hopping this shit with my Timbs on, flying in coops. Bending corners, scratching the rims up, I am the truth. Dying to catch something lacking was iron, they stupid. We putting these niggas in caskets and buying they suits. I inspire my youth, they inspire me too. You gotta teach them niggas, cause they want diamonds too. Everybody gotta eat, they want the finest too. My youngest said he proud of me, I said I'm proud of you. Same way you would ride for me, I'ma ride for you. Same way you would die for me, I'ma die for you, youngin'.
Real shit.
Yo, the same way you would ride for me, I'ma ride for you, youngin'. Same way you die for me, I'ma die for you, youngin'. Real shit.